1.3 third sum. A salesperson Ravi has the following record of sales for the month of January, February and March 2009 for three products A, B and C. He has been paid a commission at fixed rate per unit but at varying rates for products A, B and C. January he sells A 9 units, B 10 units, C 2 units. He received commission 800. February he sells A 15, B 5, C 4 and receive commission 900. At March he sells A 6 units, B 10 units, C 3 units. He receives 850 as commission. Find the rate of commission payable on A, B and C per unit sold using matrix inversion method. The commission on A is rupees X and the commission on B is rupees Y. The commission on C is rupees Z. Therefore, at January 9x, 10y and 2z is equal to 800 is the first equation and 15x, 5y and 4z is equal to 900 is the second equation and 6x, 10y and 3z is equal to 850 is the third equation. Therefore, the equations are 9x plus 10y plus 2z is equal to 800. 15x plus 5y plus 4z is equal to 900 is the second equation and 6x plus 10y plus 3z is equal to 850 is the third equation. Solution. The system of equation written as matrix form, that is 9, 10 and 2 like that, 9, 10, 2, 15, 5, 4 and 6, 10, 3. Coefficient matrix, it is variable x, y, z. Constant matrix 800, 900 and 850. Therefore, Ax is equal to B. The solution is x equal to A inverse B. To find A inverse, determinant A is equal to 9 into 5, 4, 10 and 3 minus 10 into 15, 4, 6, 3 and plus 2. 2 into 15, 5, 6 and 10. Simplifying, we get 9 into 15 minus 40 minus 10 into 45 minus 24 plus 2 into 150 minus 30. Simplifying, minus 225 minus 210 plus 240. Therefore, simplifying, we get minus 195 not is equal to 0. Therefore, A is non-singular. Therefore, A inverse exists. Therefore, to find cofact matrix, A11 is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 1 and its minor is 5, 4, 10 and 3. 1 plus 1, 2, minus 1 power 4, power 2 is plus, then cross multiplying we get minus 25. A12 is equal to minus 1 power 1 plus 2 and its minor is 15, 4, 6 and 3. 1 plus 2 is 3, minus 1 power 3 is minus, and cross multiplying we get 21. Therefore, A31 is equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 1 and its minor is 15, 5, 6 and 10. 3 plus 1, 4, minus 1 power 4 is plus, cross multiplying we get 120. Therefore, A21 is equal to minus 1 power 2 plus 1 and its minor is 10, 2, 10, 3. 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 1 power 3 is minus, and cross multiplying we get 30 minus 20, that's equal to minus 10. A22 minus 1 power 2 plus 2 and its minor is 9, 2, 6, 3. 2 plus 2 is 4, minus 1 power 4 is plus, and cross multiplying we get 27 minus 12, that's equal to 15. A23 minus 1 power 2 plus 3 and its minor is 9, 10, 6 and 10. 2 plus 3, 5, minus 1 power 5 minus, cross multiplying we get 90 minus 60, that's equal to minus 30. A31 is equal to minus 1 power 3 plus 1 and its minor is 10, 2, 5, 4. 3 plus 1, 4, minus 1 power 4 plus, cross multiplying we get 40 minus 10, that's equal to 30. A32 minus 1 power 3 plus 2 and its minor is 9, 2, 15, 4, that's equal to 3 plus 2 is 5, minus 1 power 5 minus, cross multiplying we get 36 minus 30, that's equal to minus 6. A33 minus 1 power 3 plus 3, and its minor is 9, 10, 15, 5. 3 plus 3, 6, minus 1 power 6 is plus, cross multiplying we get 45 minus 150, that's equal to minus of 105. Therefore cofactor matrix Aij is equal to minus 25, minus 21, 120, minus 10, 15, minus 30, 30, minus 6, minus 105. Therefore adj A is equal to, turn the row in equal to column, then minus 25, minus 21, 120, minus 10, 15, and minus 30, 30, minus 6, minus 105. This is adj A. Therefore A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adj A, that's equal to minus 1 by 195 into adj A is minus 25, minus 10, 30, minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 105. Therefore solution is x is equal to A inverse B. X is x, y, z. That's equal to A inverse is minus 195 into minus 25, minus 10, 30, minus 21, 15, minus 6, 120, minus 30, minus 105 into B matrix is 800, 900, and 850. That's equal to minus 1 by 195, multiplying we get minus 20,000, minus 9,000, plus 25,500, minus 16,800, plus 13,500, minus 5,100, 96,000, minus 27,000, minus 89,250. Simplifying we get minus 1 by 195. We simplify it, we get minus of 3,500 and minus of 8,400, minus of 20,250. That's equal to minus go inside. 3,500, 8,400 and 20,250. Divide 195 each, we get 17.95 and 43.08 and 103.85. Therefore, X, Y, Z. Therefore, X is equal to 17.95, Y is equal to 43.08, and Z is equal to 103.85 are the commissions.